nice testament to it.
Thank you. Yes, Fazrena.
If I would like to add, I think that the myth comes from somebody from Malaysia trying to sell whatever Malaysia likes to Indonesia. So I think we have to understand that even though we're very nearby, we're just like an hour away, but because of the geography, because of the culture and the identity, the things that we like, the fashion industry is actually it's pretty different. Malaysia loves the Indonesian style, but it's not something that we wear it like all the time. Whereas you can see Indonesia can flaunt it to the mall. So it's, I think that is their thinking as well. The aesthetic idea, the way they perceive aesthetic is a lot different from Malaysia. And that is a problem, I think. When you're trying to sell what you think sells in Malaysia to Indonesia without actually checking what they like you said, data is power. So it will fail. I've seen so many startups who tried to enter Indonesia market and closed down within a year.
Maybe they don't know where to go.